Hello again, ChoroQ Nissan Skyline fans. This is ChoroQ number Z-36. The internet tells me it's like a 1980 Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo. Actually, that's what it says on the side of it. I could have just read that instead of looked it up on the internet. Alright, well anyways, let's take a look here. I think it might be brand new. The tape looks unbreached. I thought there was always tape on the top. I'm always mistaken. Alright. Oh, well there it says 2000 GTES. I could have looked at the back of this thing. Let's see, that doesn't say ES. So, but I'm assuming this is correct, a 2000 GTES. Okay. Sorry for the long intro. This thing does have side mirrors, but they're just going to break off, so I don't put them on. This goes in the trash. Here are a couple photos off Wikipedia. Different type of wheels, but it looks like the same front end with these big rectangular lights. Yeah, if you put those mirrors on, they would definitely just fall off because there's no peg holes. Got 4 taillights. Yeah, black bumper primarily. Looks alright. So this is a very fine silver. You know, it's not very flaky or anything like that. These are nice wheels. I might have a ChoroQ with these wheels. Off the top of my head, I don't recognize these wheels though. They could be unique to this casting. Forward lug nut details. I think that's accurate too. So yeah, that tampo print is looking good. A little recess for the door handle, and you'll see this character line. You know, it starts in the back and it tapers here to this point. So that's pretty nice. This marker is raised and painted orange. And then, oh, I think there's printing on the back quarter panel here, but it's silver on silver. Yeah, I think it says Skyline, but silver on silver is really hard to tell, of course. I think this comes in other colorways, though. Alright, I think the silver, well, I don't know. Maybe that's just the plain silver, but I think there's black here on the inner edge, or is that just a light? No, I think, well, it's hard to tell. I think there's actually a little thin black line here for the window molding. But now I'm noticing there's a little black racing stripe right on the top and it's tapering off here. Very fine. It's almost easy to miss it. And now I'm noticing these really tiny air vents back here. That's interesting. The fuel filler is on this side of the car, which is odd because usually on GTRs it's like on this side. So I don't know if this is like a US market car or what. The taillights are alright. They're in, you know, painted, and this is a race center, and then it's all within a dark charcoal metallic paint, this rectangular thing. A little silver exhaust tip, and that's a separate piece. The molded in bumper is okay. It's painted okay. Yeah, here you can see that racing stripe. It's actually 2 stripes. Possibly, yeah, 2 stripes, but then up here, I think there's black paint again. Yeah, interesting. Alright, so here we have like this little S logo, some ribbing here in the grille, just silver painted headlights. Turbo is printed backwards to be read correctly in the rear view mirror of a car in front. The turn signals are orange, and then this one's got some silver fog lights, which is nice. I think they're separate pieces, yeah. I'm guessing they're separate pieces. And then this little chin spoiler might be a separate piece too, because there's a brake right there. Alright, when was this thing made? 2015, November 2015, according to the production dial there. So, yeah, see, this description, again, isn't as descriptive as the packaging. Anyways, a screw and a tab to hold it all together. You can see the canopy is transparent. But I'm thinking now the body might be opaque, and then the canopy is a separate piece of plastic. Yeah, I think I can see a rivet mark back up in there. And then if you're unaware, ChoroQs are wind-back toys, and they tend to go very fast too, so I wouldn't want to actually play with them because they'll chip at them. Alright, well, let me back out here. Let's compare it to a few other Skylines in ChoroQ form. So I have this ChoroQ Zero of another similar car, but it's from a franchise called Abu Naideka? No, it's not that one. Seibu Keisatsu, that's what that logo means. It's some crazy Macho Man show from like the 70s, I think. So this one's got different wheels, same bottom printing. This one's from the same November 2015. But this one's got license plates, it's got some weird stuff there, a different badge, and then this weird thing which I don't know what it is. This is some sort of undercover police vehicle. It's got the police light, and it's got an aqueduct and something here, which again, since I haven't seen the show, I don't know what it is. I'm now noticing the ribbing here, and that is on the other casting as well. And yeah, the fuel filler is on this side of the car, and it's painted silver on this one. So this one actually has a lot more details going on. That's why I like it. But it's different enough from this guy that I think I'm pretty happy that I have both. Alright. Here's an old school version of that same car. So this is from an older box set, but it has the standard ChoroQ wheels, and then it's just much more cartoonish. Like, look how big that, whatever it is, and whatever that is, and no details on there. But it has a unique charm to it, so I'm pretty cool with it. So I'll put that back here. And this is a mystery one for me. I don't know what this really is. It says the same thing on the bottom again. When was it made? This is from 2014, November 2014. It's Z-35 as well. What I don't understand is why are the lights in the grille totally different? Right? Oh, this is a 4-door. That's partially gotta be a reason, right? But yeah, the taillights are still 4 round ones. The bumper. Anyways, it's a totally different molding. So 3 different ChoroQs, and they're different enough for me that I'm gonna keep all 3 of them. Here's a little top view. Alright, let's get these guys go. And get something to spin up here. I forget what this is from, but it's a strange collection of toys which look like hot dogs or something, but they're very popular characters. Like, this is Nick Fury from the Avengers, the leader of the Avengers. So, oh, it says on the bottom here, let's see, Marvel, of course. Jax, oh, so it's Jax Pacific, I think, is the toy company. But what does this say? Moo Moo or something? Maybe it's upside down. It's hard to make out. I don't know what that means. Vroom Vroom or something? Zoom Zoom? I think it's something like Zoom Zoom or Toom Toom or some sort of double word thing. But it's so strange, I just had to get it. Look how small it is, right? I think they're bigger versions too. But maybe that actually is too small. Maybe I'll use that guy for Chibico reviews. Okay, well, anyways, thanks for watching this, guys. I still have a few more ChoroQ Zeros to get, and hopefully you'll stay tuned for those. Alright, bye-bye.